Hello. If it's Monday morning, it's time for bagels and business for breakfast. So get your tea, get your coffee, get your bagel. I have a green smoothie I made. Very tasty. So anyway, let's get started. Welcome back to the Business Vision and Development Center channel, where we empower Black entrepreneurs and underserved communities to build wealth, create opportunity, and grow their vision. I'm Sharon Taylor, founder and CEO of the BVD Center, and today I'm talking about one of the most important steps in your business journey, opening a business account. If you're still running your business out of your personal checking account, this video is for you. Stick around because I'll also break down the pros and cons of Navy Federal, Industrial Bank, TD Bank, and Chase Bank. And let me give you a little background. Over the last year, I have been talking to, going to, looking at all the banks I just mentioned, Navy Federal, Industrial Bank, TD Bank, and Chase Bank. Because my intent was to give you a picture, a snapshot of these banks. There are other banks. This is not all inclusive, but I just wanted to give you a little take on where I stood on these banks, and you can make your own determination. I am with one of these banks, and I have moved to another. And we'll discuss that in another video because I don't want to, sway you one way or the other. I want you to make an informed decision on your own. So now let's talk about why choosing a business account matters so much. So too many of us start businesses with hustle, passion, and determination. But we skip over the foundation. And folks, the foundation matters. We start our business. We haven't thought about our business account. We've using our savings, our regular account to get the things that we need and to fund our business. And as we build and grow, sometimes that becomes a habit until you realize that you needed to separate your personal account from your business account, especially when it comes to taxes. And especially when it comes to just seeing where you stand financially. So here are some things. When you open a business account, you separate your money so you don't get stuck at tax time. You build credibility so customers know you're legit. You protect your personal assets if something goes wrong. And you gain access to loans, grants, and business credit. Here's the truth. Banks and investors won't take you seriously if your business and personal money are mixed together. And we deserve to be taken seriously. Now let's look at 4 banks you might be considering. Each has strengths and weaknesses, so let's break it down. Navy Federal Credit Union has great customer service, low fees, and community driven. But you need to be military, a veteran, or family of one or the other in order to join. Next, we're going to Industrial Bank, which is Black owned. And a lot of us in the African American community lean towards Black owned because we want to support our own. So let's talk about the pros and the cons of Industrial Bank. It's one of the oldest Black owned banks in the US. They invest back into our community and support small businesses. The downside, limited branches, and they are not as tech heavy as the big banks. Next is TD Bank. It's open late and even on weekends. It's perfect for entrepreneurs working nonstop. They have solid mobile banking tools, but they have higher fees and they're mainly on the East Coast. Next, we have Chase Bank. Chase Bank has a nationwide presence, powerful business credit cards, and high tech tools. The downside, they have higher fees unless you maintain a big balance, and it can feel very corporate. So, which is the best? That depends on your goals. You want to support Black owned? Go Industrial Bank. Need nationwide reach? Chase has you. Want convenience and late hours? TD Bank. Military family? Navy Federal might be best for you. So here's the takeaway, visionaries. Don't delay. Get your business its own financial home. It's not just about banking, it's about protecting your business, your family, and your future. At the Business Vision and Development Center, we help you not only choose the right bank, but also prepare you for business credit, funding, and long-term success. What I want you to know in future videos, I will talk about my experience with each one of those banks so you can get a personal vibe of how I feel about them and where I actually started and where I landed. So don't forget to visit us at www.thebvdcenter.org or email us directly at info@thebvdcenter.org to get started today. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so we can keep building together. Because when we invest in our businesses, we invest in our communities. I'm Sharon Taylor, and remember, your business is your vision, and your vision is our future. See you on the other side. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing.